Hey, are you about to start a YouTube channel? I want you to stop and watch this video first, because in this video I'll be sharing with you 12 important things you need to know just before you start your YouTube channel. Are you ready for this? Let's get right in. Hello and welcome. My name is Tope Aghomatse. If you're new here and you want to learn how to grow your YouTube channel, how to use YouTube to grow your personal brand or business, or generally learn stuff about YouTube, then start now by subscribing and clicking on that bell so you don't miss anything. Now, in the last 4 to 5 years, I have run and managed at least 8 channels on YouTube, including mine and the channels of my clients. I've failed multiple times. I've invested thousands of dollars learning YouTube, and I can tell you I have some good advice for you today. So now sit tight and let's run through the 12 things you need to know before you start your YouTube channel, shall we? Now, number 1 is start now, okay? It's never too late to get started on YouTube. 2021 is still a very good year to start on YouTube. Now, I want you to erase that scarcity mindset and all that thoughts that keep coming and telling you there's so much competition, you can't thrive on YouTube. That is a lie. Yes, new channels are springing up every day on YouTube, but at the same time, viewership on YouTube has been going through the roof. And that's because the COVID-19 pandemic that started last year has literally changed the lifestyle of everyone on the planet. People are getting more internet inclined, more social media inclined, and one of the websites that has been getting massive boosts in engagement is definitely YouTube, okay? And of course, in spite of the competition, I'm sure you can relate with the fact that viewers don't always watch only one video when they are looking for stuff on YouTube. They watch 2, 3, 4 videos so they can form an opinion about something. And so this always gives smaller channels the chance. So one of the things you want to do is just find your difference, find your edge, come in with so much value, and you definitely stand a chance to get visible and to grow and be successful on YouTube. Now to number 2, go in with passion. Of course, passion is the fuel you need to succeed on YouTube. There will be the highs, there will be the lows. Your passion is what is going to keep you going. Now to number 3, brand your channel. Of course, you need to be clear on who you're serving on your channel and what you're definitely serving to those people. You want to create an attractive banner and very clickable thumbnails for your videos, because all this and more are the things that add up to you standing out on YouTube. So you want to come with a clear picture of what your channel should look and feel like, and the message that should jump out at people when they visit your channel. Now to number 4, don't overthink it, okay? You can never be ready to start on YouTube, trust me. So what you want to do is just start, okay? Start messy. You can never create your best videos if you don't start making your worst videos. So you want to just take that step, punch fear in the face like my coach always says, and get started, okay? Then you keep getting better each video, and before you know it, 1 year down the line, you can't believe you've grown so much. So don't overthink things. Don't try to copy big channels from day one of starting your own channel, because they've gone through their own growth process and you are just starting. So pace yourself and start from where you are. Now, number 5, run your channel like a job. Listen to this, okay? YouTube can be very lucrative. YouTube can also be very demanding, right? It's garbage in, garbage out. If you want YouTube to serve you, you've got to pay attention. You've got to commit to understanding the platform, knowing how it works and understanding how to ride on the features of the platform to gain visibility and grow. And of course, it's not easy making videos, okay? So if you're going to go through all that stress to shoot videos and upload and all of that, you better do it right so it can be a rewarding experience for you. Remember, I said in number 2 that you need to go in with passion. This is important because it would help you enjoy the process. So even while you're treating it like a job, it doesn't really feel like a job because it's fun. Keep in mind, you're not just investing time and effort in making your videos, you're also investing time in research, in promoting your videos, in optimizing your videos, in engaging in your comment section, in trying to understand the system basically so you can use it better. So it's a whole lot of work, and if you want results faster on YouTube, you need to give it substantial attention. And trust me, YouTube can make you a full-time income. YouTube can make you financially free. There are lots of channels on YouTube that make hundreds of thousands of dollars every month on YouTube. So you want to have that big vision and reverse engineer everything you're doing to feed into it. Now to number 6, create searchable content. Hey, YouTube is a search engine, okay? You need to create content that people are looking for, content that are findable, searchable, okay? So that's the best way I would say you should start. Also keep an eye on the trending topics in your space and be sure to leverage on these to grow your channel. Now, just before I move to number 7, if you're getting value so far, which I believe you are, do hit that like button below and let me know. Now to number 7, start with what you have, okay? By that, I mean, start with the camera you have, start with the light you have. In the age we are in now, an average smartphone is good enough to shoot a video for YouTube. So don't start overthinking your gadgets, you have enough to get started. Your camera, daylight if you don't have any artificial lights, just stay in front of any window or a door during the day and shoot. What I would say you should not compromise on at all would be your sound, your audio, okay? Be sure to invest in an external microphone and don't rely on the built-in microphone of your phone because the quality is always very low. I'm sure you've watched a lot of videos on YouTube that didn't quite have very excellent video quality, but you were able to watch because the sound was sharp. So invest in cheap microphones. Lav mics like this are a good starting point. They are very affordable, and then you can always start with that. Now to number 8, learn basic editing. Guys, listen, okay? YouTube is competitive. If you want to stand out, you're working hard on your content, you're working hard on your video quality, you're doing all you can to deliver value and give your viewers a very pleasurable experience watching your videos. So while it is not compulsory to edit your videos, you want to do justice at least to trimming out the fluff, removing those awkward spaces, all the M's, all the ums and all of that, and then making your videos short and concise. Now to number 9, be consistent. Now, a lot of people are being consistent on YouTube for the wrong reason. They want to please the YouTube gods. They want to please the algorithm. They want the algorithm to favor them. However, I would say that actually does not really matter as much as you getting your subscribers to trust you and to, get into the flow of things on your channel. Now, people knowing that they can always get to your channel every Tuesday or Thursday and get brand new content can trust you better, can conclude that at least you are taking your channel seriously compared to people that don't have a schedule or that just post whenever they feel like. If you want to build loyalty on your channel, you want to show up and keep showing up consistently so your subscribers can trust you. Now to number 10, shut out discouragement. Hey, you're going to get a lot of people coming to you and telling you you're crazy starting a YouTube channel in 2021. People are going to come to you to discourage you. You're going to get haters, you're going to get critics, you're going to get even your loved ones not really being supportive because they don't understand you. But you know what? My advice for you is don't care, okay? Follow your dreams, show up and let the results prove your point. From day one, you would need to develop thick skin because a lot is still going to come your way. As your channel grows, you will get more aggressive critics. It's going to be a whole lot. So just start with that toughness and it's going to help you a whole lot. Now to number 11, kill the imposter syndrome. Yes, I've been there and I can tell you, feeling like an imposter is not going to help you achieve your dream or actualize your goals for your channel. You are good enough. You've got to believe in yourself. Convince yourself that you can do this. Don't wait for people to endorse you because anyways, you are better than one person at least, and that one person can be your audience. So believe in yourself and then prepare your content for that person you were yesterday, and then teach people who are still 1 week behind you, 1 year behind you, how to get to where you are. So you are good enough, believe it and run with it. Finally, we have number 12, which is manage your expectations. So a lot of people jump into YouTube like it's a money-making machine, and then they get the shocker of their lives when they are not making money from their channel in 6 months. Hey, YouTube is not a sprint. It is a marathon. Making money and being successful on YouTube takes time. So you just want to get in there, be excited, be optimistic, believe you can crush it on YouTube, and enjoy the journey. Now that's it right there. I'm sure you're fired up and ready to go. Now your next step definitely would be to create your channel. So you want to check the video up here where I shared step by step how to create a complete and well optimized YouTube channel. Now this is very beginner friendly, so you want to jump on that and go crush it. Now thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in another video, and until then, keep showing up and keep crushing it. Bye.